Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a mood board. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, the mood board is a tool of analysis. It got the following characteristics. It was created by fashion design, it was adapted by design thinking, and it's used in their 6 stages of the project methodology. Generate an insight or a result to strengthen or build a project. Information is collected directly and indirectly with different elements. It's not a collage. That is very important because sometimes people misunderstand that part. Generates a visual key based on the analytics, analysis, and visual information. The components are photography, textures, clippings, and subtitles. Well, when we start developing our mood board, it's very important before we do anything, define the purpose. What are we going to analyze? A group, a process, a action, a product, a service, what? When we define that purpose, we start defining and knowing where and how are we going to collect the information. So the first element that we use is photography. Photography is very important, so we start taking pictures. If we have many pictures, it's good because we can pick and select the best when we see people interacting with each other in different situations, so that is very important. It's very important that when you take the pictures, preferably are your own. But if for some situation you have to download a picture from a website, it's very important that you give the credit to the person or website when you are taking it. After that, we start analyzing textures. And the textures are very important. We have to recollect, we have to observe, and we have to see how these textures interact with the situation that you are analyzing. So we can pick up all of that and we start to put together, for example, in one page. We can make the mood board digital or we can make it analog. It depends on how you want to show it to your group or to the people that you are doing that for. So think very good how it's easy for you. But it's very important that the mood board it's always going in just one page. If you have to do more mood boards, that's okay. But try to put together everything in just one page. After that, it's very important that you have and you put together all the clippings. The relevance and the hierarchy are very important because not all the things that you choose have the same importance. So if something is more important, it means it has a bigger size. So the hierarchy is bigger. If something that you collect is not that relevant, you put it a little bit smaller. So that's very important as well. Finally, you have to put subtitles on your mood board because that will help you to see which things are you analyzing and how they interact with each other. Use keywords. The keywords are very important and also the order. If you don't put subtitles, people will think that what you are doing it's a collage. And remember, a mood board is not a collage. It's a visual analyze of a situation, a process, a project, a product, but it has to have subtitles so you know what are you are looking and what you're analyzing. And maybe for you it's easy to understand, but remember that usually you make a mood for someone else. So that person has to know what you are doing, what you're analyzing. So remember, one of the main principles of design thinking is design center. And design center means that every time you show something, people will know what you are analyzing and they understand. If they don't understand, really the problem is with you, not with the person that is looking. As a result, We generate a visual representation of a collection, categorization, and information analysis of a project in development or evaluation to be developed. Evidence the direct interaction of the people or groups with the problem that has been worked or is working right now. Encourage empathy and understanding visually with the situation that has been worked or be worked. Thank you so much. I hope this video helped you a lot with the project that you are developing. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Design Thinking 24/7. Remember, on Monday, we always have a new video in Spanish. On Thursday, we have a video in English. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 channel of design thinking in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.